This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play a color card game. To begin, each player draws 7 cards from the deck. The remaining cards are placed face down, forming the draw pile. Then, flip the very top card of the draw pile face up to create the discard pile. This card sets the initial color or number for the game. The player to the left of the dealer starts the first round of play. When it's your turn, you must play a card that matches the color, number, or symbol of the card currently on top of the discard pile. For example, if a red 5 is showing, you can play any red card or any 5 of a different color. If you don't have a matching card, you must draw one card from the draw pile. If that drawn card matches, you can play it right away. Otherwise, your turn ends. Color card games often feature special action cards that add exciting twists. A skip card makes the next player miss their turn entirely. A reverse card changes the direction of play, so if it was going clockwise, it now goes counterclockwise. The Draw 2 card is powerful. It forces the next player to draw 2 cards and also lose their turn, adding a strategic element to the game. The ultimate objective of this color card game is to be the first player to successfully play all of your cards. As you get close to winning, there's a crucial rule to remember. When you play your second-to-last card, leaving you with just one card in your hand, you must loudly declare last card. If you forget to say last card before the next player takes their turn, you will unfortunately have to draw 2 penalty cards.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.